Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Amazon Prime. If you also want to learn how, then make sure you keep watching this video and let's get straight into it. In order to sign up for Amazon Prime, you can first open up your Amazon.com account and then log in. From the home screen of Amazon.com, you can click on your account right here and head over to account. Now in the account section, you will see tons of options. You can click on Prime. From here, if you scroll down, it will show you all the benefits that you can get if you become a Prime member. You can get benefits such as fast deliveries, you can watch popular movies, TV shows, and get all of the podcasts for free, and tons of other benefits. Now on the bottom, you'll see two plans, the monthly plan and the annual plan. Now you can select whichever plan that you want and click on try free for 30 days. So you do not have to pay instantly. You can try Prime for 30 days and only if you like it, you can continue. If you don't, you can cancel the subscription anytime you want. From here, you can scroll down and choose your payment method. You can either pay using your gift cards or using your credit cards. If you want to pay using your credit cards, click on add credit card or debit card. Here you can enter all the details of your card and click on add your card and then proceed to the payment. If you want to pay using your gift card, you can click on this option and enter in the code of your gift card and click on apply. So that was the process on how you can sign up for Amazon Prime. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are new here. Thank you guys for watching and I'll be back with more videos.